Alright, I don't know what happened. My phone cut out. The camera did, but we get some stickers. They're all the same in each one, right? Yeah. It's pretty cool. Oh, I didn't even see this. Nice little notepad. That's cool.
Oh, I feel cute.
And a tiny binder. A tiny Gigantamax binder. Oh, mine's bent. I didn't even realize that.
Oh, jeez.
Must have been during shipping.
Wouldn't surprise me.
Yeah. Tiny Gigantamax binder. Alright. I'll find the coins. Coin flips. We just doing it the way they had it, right? Sword and Shield. Yeah. Sword and Shield, Burning Shadows, Sun Moon base set. Yeah, we all have them in the same direction. Alright, ready? So it goes Tarlin, me, and then you. Alright.
Code card.
What was that? Weird. House is shifting.
Energy. Rare candy. Lucky egg. Mantine. Score bunny. Sinisty. Maractus. Pikachu. Galarian Meowth. Reverse Wooloo and... Oh.
You know, I was thinking about that Meowth luck.
Hasn't been working lately.
No, it hasn't. Hey, I got the Wooloo. Woohoo! I got a Wooloo. Oh, I gave it away. Gave it away that I'm not getting anything in this booster pack. Ferrothor? Crushing Hammer? There's actually a secret rare of that. I don't know what's that. Wooloo? Joltik? Sandalite? Clobopus? Ghastly. A reverse Pokemon catcher and a Cramorant. I did the code trick. Or the code. Anyways. Back to what we were talking about before. It's so fun.
Moel. Ponyta. Sable. Erectus. A Mudbray. Sinisty. And a Ninetales.
Huh.
Energy, Redthorn, Heatmore, and Metal Saucer.
Mine's got a weird line going through the... Look, you see that?
No, I don't see it. I don't see what you're talking about.
Mine's got a weird line going through it.
Oh, yeah. It's from like the pack above it or something in the booster box or whatever they put it in.
Code card.
We all do the card trick different.
I don't do the card trick at all.
That's how we do it
Answer.
different.
Magikarp. Alohan Rattata. Wimpod. Togedemaru. Energy. Simpor. Noctowl. Electabuzz. Reverse Mount Lenkilla and a Beware.
Beware. Burning Shadows. Well, that was a Burning Shadows that we did. Burning Shadows. I'll do it. Tangela, Rhyhorn, Riolu. I didn't do anything, so Cutiefly, Dynamo, Darkrai. I got Code Card. I didn't do the card trick, so I failed. And oh, a holographic Rhyperior.
Nice.
Very nice. Energy, Mountain Kata, Kawaii, and a signature.
Alright. Got a Ladybug, Caterpie, Sandygast, Venipede, a Sneasel, one Rattata, and a Gardevoir GX.
Yes. First hit. Very nice.
Energy, Gloom, Seadrop, and Blossom. I'll put that in there.
You are definitely winning.
Same line going through this one.
These are the ones we want that reverse out of, right? Or no, I gave you that reverse.
What do you mean reverse?
For Cosmo? Reverse Cosmo?
I already have the reverse. I think.
Which one is it that you're looking at for this one?
Unified. Mine's is the only actual normal Cosmog I need.
Oh.
Code card. I think anyway. Morel, Skarmory, Poliwag, Sandygast, Eevee, Energy, Charajabug, Rainbow Energy, Crow Oak, Reverse Torkoal, and
Yeah, I've gotten that here, Momo, before. I remember that one. Yeah. 4, 3, 4. Let's see. Ooh.
Meowth.
Meowth. Even though it's Persian. Still works.
Still counts.
Bulldor. Paris. Caterpie. Oh, that's so cute. Make you hit a Chinchou. Talk to you tomorrow. A reverse Arachnid and a Dragonite.
I like that card.
Looks holographic. Yeah, it is.
It is.
That is really cool.
I like that. Look, the clouds in the back and everything. That's
nice.
awesome.
That's a really cool card.
I've never seen that one.
No, I know I definitely don't have that one.
That's awesome.
Face that. Oh, vivid voltage coming up. Wait for them chunky chews. Still haven't gotten the chunky chew rainbow.
Paris, Lillipup, Bunsweet, Dewpider, another Lillipup, and a Lantern.
You did get the only ultra rare, so.
Energy.
And not covering the ultra rare with that.
Nope.
Weird.
Turkey.
Very nice.
Code card. Pikipek, Mudbray, Joltik, Weedle, Kalo, Energy, Memory Capsule, Giraffig, Electric, Reverse Crow or Oak and Electros.
Electacross. Vivid voltage. More vivid voltage. I opened up a bunch of these booster boxes. 3 of them. you have not seen that yet, go back and check them out. Awesome. Bunch of awesomeness. Anyways. See that energy?
Mm-hmm.
That means something. Rocky Helmet. Alistair. A Metang. A Wooper. A Dedenne. Picky Peck. A Chudo. Riolu. Reverse Rockruff. And an Electrode. Electric type energy means
Yep.
Electrode. Means Electrode.
Of course it's
You
electric.
guys didn't know? That's what that means.
Of course it's electric.
Alright. Code card. Eevee. Woobat. How do you say that? Aracuda? See that? Reverse Electric? And a Vaporeon.
Nice.
Evolution.
It just looks weird to me right now. I don't know. Yeah, look at that later. Energy, Magcargo, Drone Radom, and a Swoobat.
What is our when we watch a show? It kind of correlates with these. The Drone Rotom. It's the first time it appeared on the show, and here it is.
I know, I've noticed that too.
I just got a score bunny out of one of those packs a while ago.
Oh yeah, I know. I thought about that too. I guess it's Pokemon. Will bring back Pokemon memories, but still.
Code card. Voltorb. Rockruff. Wishmer. Trubbish. Dynamo. Energy. Beauty. Shuckle. Nuzleaf. Reverse Execute. And
Fitting. Very fitting. An Executor.
I got nothing.
You didn't get anything at all?
No.
Energy. Alistair. Cramorant. Nessa. Voltorb. A Rockruff. Taillow. Yama. Wooper. Reverse Nincada. And a Jolteon.
Alright, my last pack.
I only have 2 holographics, that's it.
Is that it?
Yeah,
Really?
that whole everything.
Ow.
Weird. It's just a bunch of packs. And
I don't know. Code card. Get a Picky Peck. A Chudo. Riolu. A Chamco. Nincada. Reverse Nincada. Ooh, and a Pikachu V.
very nice. You're the only one who pulled anything ultra rare better. Want me to just leave it?
Yeah, please. Energy. Let's say in a Ferrothorn.
Alright, guys, we had 2 pulls. Ultra rare or better. And both by the winner. And then I got 3 holographics. A Electrode, a Dragonite, and a Rhyperior.
I really like that
You
dragon.
didn't end up getting anything at all? No holographic or nothing? Oh, wow.
That's weird.
That is crazy. Alright, well, thanks for watching. Subscribe if you're not already. Bye, friends.
Bye, friends.